Hi everyone, this is Charles Johnson from Softline Data. Today we'll be talking about how to download and install the ubsync mobile application for Android devices. As you're looking at my screen, this is the typical screen of an Android tablet. We're going to go ahead and launch a browser. And I already have the download link, although this would come to you in an email from Softline Data typically. As you click the link, it's going to ask you, do you want to download this file? Go ahead and click the download button. And that file will start to download. And we'll sit and wait for this to download. And again, this could be any Android tablet. ubsync works with 8-inch tablets or 10-inch tablets, whichever your field readers decide is better for them. And the download is just finishing up here. And this will be the process for every tablet that you have. And we're just about done. So, as you click on it, it'll ask you, do you want to install this application? We're going to go ahead and say yes. Let's install the application. So the installer kicks off and it's running, and it should only take a few seconds and the app will be installed. So we'll let that run. And the app has been installed successfully. Do we want it to be, say, done or open? Let's go ahead and open the application. So now here's the application open. As you as Softline Data contacted you, they would have sent you a username and password for you to use to access this information, this application. This Remember Me checkbox is nice if this reader is only going to be used by a single person. If the reader is going to be used by multiple persons, you probably don't want to use this because it will remember the username and the password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a demo user and click login. So we have successfully logged into the application. You'll see that it takes us to the sync file page. This is because no routes have been synced yet, and we'll go over this later. But basically, you select the routes that you would like to sync with here, and click the Download Routes button. It'll confirm, are you sure you want to load this data? We'll say yes, and you'll see at the bottom, all the data has been synced. Now we can go to the menu and we can actually look at how the routes are administered. So we downloaded one route, this is route 1, and we get a pop-up here. You'll see these periodically in the application. Allow access to photos, media, and file on your device. So ubsync is telling you, hey, I want to use some of these resources that are on this Android tablet. Will you let me? Always click allow in this case. Every feature that is built from Softline Data with UBMax has your features in mind. If there's something that you're not comfortable sharing on the tablet, it's probably best to buy a different tablet specific for ubsync. If you click deny any of these, a lot of the features that are cool about ubsync will no longer function. So we'll go ahead and click allow. I'm not going to get into detail here, but there are two different types of views. There's a single entry mode, where we're looking at a single stop per time, and every time you click the save button, it moves on to the next stop. Or there's a detailed view, where you can go in and look at multiple stops at once. There's also a filter for unread meters versus read meters and other features that we'll go over later on. This concludes the tutorial for how to download and install the ubsync Android meter reader app from Softline Data.